Hello everyone. Welcome to the Editing Hub. Today I will be showing you guys how to add 8mm overlay in your videos. I have selected some overlays and Flim burns which will be provided down in the description box so you can download it. Now there are many overlay to choose. I will be choosing the next one. You guys can choose accordingly to your wish. Let's begin. Drag the overlay upwards so we can fit overlays between these two clips. Now select the overlay clip, then go to the effects panel and change your blend mode to multiply. Now drag the grain overlay and place it on your timeline. Now select the clip, then go to the effect control and scale until it's covered up. Then change the blend mode to screen. Perfect. It is getting similar. Now here are some Flim burns. You can choose any one as you like. I will be selecting this one. Again do the same for this one. Scale it up and change the blend mode to screen. Perfect. Now for the extra glow up. Let's add another Flim burn on top of the frame and repeat the same process for this one. Boom. Here you have the classic Flim burn with 8mm overlay effect in less than 2 minutes. If you like the video, please share, subscribe and press the notification bell for further more tutorials.